Use the enclosed USB flash drive and open the folder named Registration Letters. In this folder, you will find the registration manual as well as the digital registration letter. Please read the manual carefully. If you no longer have your registration letter or require cloud access at a later stage, please contact IML support. Open the registration letter and select the appropriate app store for your operating system. You will be automatically redirected to the correct download page. Under IML Electronic Account, you will find all available apps provided by the company. The description of each app lists the minimum hardware requirements as well as the available languages. Download the installation file and install the app. Open the app and navigate to Settings via the menu icon, 3 horizontal bars, to register the app.